I'm Dr. Srishti, General Surgeon, passed out in 2023. Currently, I am practicing in Indore as a senior resident in MGM Medical College and MY Hospital. I'm here for fellowship and diploma in minimal access surgery, which I wanted to learn from this institute. So in our college, we have very little exposure because there are a lot of APs and everybody. So I was just searching for some course to learn the laparoscopy properly from the very basic to the actual techniques which are used in laparoscopy. So while searching in the Google, I just came across the Medicity. And then I asked, and then I had a discussion with the team from the Medicity, and then I came here. So before coming here, I just didn't know about I just was knowing only about the names of the instruments, not that key what are the parts of the instruments and how to use them, how to hold them. So when I came here, I just got to learn everything about like what are the parts of instrument, how you have to hold, how you have to do the port insertion and do the procedure, like basic techniques of every procedure, like suturing, endosuturing, and how to hold the tissue, how to handle the instruments during laparoscopy. So in these 14 days, I've learned about all of these things, plus the lectures and the very common surgeries which we have seen in the OTs as well. And there were lectures also. After these 14 days, now I'm very confident that I can do individually the basic laparoscopic procedures at least, and then gradually after that practicing more and more cases, I'll be a very good surgeon. So these 14 days were divided into the basic lectures about the laparoscopy and endo training sessions, and as well as the wet lab, where we got to practice on the animals. So during endo training, we have it was easier for us to practice then on the animal, which we did yesterday only. So endo trainer gives you how to handle and how to, ergonomically you can just practice on the endo trainers, and then on doing the wet lab, it gives you a very real exposure so that you can very confidently do it on a human from now onwards. So I got to do lap chole on the pig and one side hernia also, like dissection and putting the mesh and then fixing it. So it was a good experience. So what all we have seen in this 14 days and what all we have learned, that we can perform, we can perform on the wet lab animal. The team is very friendly. Like they are not like we are surgeons and we won't tell you anything, and somewhere it is like this. But whenever they were doing surgery, Dr. Kriplani sir or any other member of the McBeast team, they used to tell the procedure, what they are doing, how to do the port insertion, which layers are you dissecting, and then basically they were telling every step of the surgery. And after that, we had a photo session with them, with the team. So they also told me that this is not the end of your journey. Like if you want to discuss about any case, or you are coming here and you want to meet with the team, you can always come here and you can always discuss the cases on the phone as well. So this much professional help is we are not getting anywhere else. I was staying here at the Medicity for 14 days in the hostels in the same building. So it was very convenient, and I was sharing the room with a gynecologist. So it was and also we were provided with the food here, which was included in the package, and the travel expenses were also met by the team. So it was very comfortable stay for the 14 days, because we just do not have to rush here and there for the same thing, like for searching for food. And so yes, I was staying here and it was a very pleasant experience for me. I would definitely recommend this if you want to learn laparoscopy from the very basics, or you can want to see various kind of surgeries. You will also get to see those surgeries in a very reputed institute, as well as the people here at the Medicity will help you at every step of learning, as well as after you go from here, they will be constantly supporting you throughout the journey.